Hello everyone, this is Chini Space. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this oven baked jollof rice. Guys, this jollof rice is so delicious. Like, when I mean delicious, it tasted very good, guys. You don't want to miss this. So if you want to know how I prepared this, follow me and let's get started. So in my air fryer, I added some tomato, I added red bell pepper, onions, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, and some fresh rosemary leaf. Next, you fry this for 10 minutes, and this is what we have after 10 minutes. Now you transfer this into your food processor and let it blend. So now I'll be blending this. You can do a smooth blending or you do a rough blending depending on your choice. So I'm going with the rough one, and then this is what I have after blending mine. This is it. Next, you add into your preheated oil and let it fry for 5 minutes. Add your tomato paste and keep stirring. So here I'm saving a bit of my stew base. I will use it later to mix with my protein. Next is to fry your protein. I'm using both chicken and beef. So I'm air frying here. You can choose whichever method you want, but for me, I use air fryer to do mine. And then in my baking pan, I just added the washed rice, and I'll be going in with the stew I just made. Now I just added some seasoning. I added salt, coriander, curry powder. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I use seasoning, coriander, curry powder, thyme, Italian seasoning as well, and some black pepper, oregano. Yeah. So I will list all the ingredients in the comment section. I also added a bit of nutmeg. This gave it a very good taste. Now mix this properly using your spatula, and then you go on to add your hot boiled water. Yeah. Remember, we are making oven baked jollof rice. Jollof rice don't need too much of liquid, so I added just a little, and I'll be going in with the stock as well, my beef stock. I added it into it. Then I will cover this with a baking tray, a baking paper, sorry. So this is bay leaf. I'm using fresh bay leaf that I just added. After this, cover with a baking paper. So I use baking paper first, then foil paper. Now put this in your preheated oven and let it bake. So this is our oven baked jollof rice, guys. Just look at this. Wow. Guys, at this point, the aroma in my kitchen is nose blinding. You don't want to miss trying this, guys. Just take a good look at this. It's so good. It tasted very delicious. So next is to mix this until it's well combined. Mix it properly and then go on to add your butter. Butter is optional, but I love adding butter to my jollof rice because it gives it this very delicious taste as well. Now I just added the butter. Give this a very good stir until it's well combined. Guys, I kid you not, this jollof rice is not something you should miss. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it goes. So my name is Chini Space. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, please do well to click the subscribe button and let's vibe together. And for my return follower, thank you all for always coming by to watch my video. Thank you for your support always. Thank you for sharing and liking my video. Guys, I will allow you to watch till the end and I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.